Y'all know what coffee does.
But they're not as ticklish as you are.
Somebody was like, girl, she was making love to your face. I've been waiting on that ass all night, girl. Y'all better come up here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
From where?
81st Deli. Why? Not a morning person. This is stupid. This is my favorite hyaluronic acid serum. It makes my skin so juicy. And I'm running out of it. Blasphemy. Good morning, pretty girl. Oh, big yawn. Good morning, my little baby. Good morning, happy Vlogmas Day 8. Mommy loves you. Oh, I'm gonna miss you when I go to my appointment. You're gonna be a good girl. You gonna be a good girl? Yes? Okay. I love you, baby. So precious. Good morning, little butterfly. You like when mommy sings to you? Are you musically inclined, Chloe? You might be. You might be. You're so sweet. Okay, I'll see you later, okay? Uh-oh, did that make you oh, I'm sorry. I love you. I'm gonna show you guys my quick outfit of the day. I'm not sure why I'm so dressed up. Gotta be quiet, it's really early. But I just felt like it. This dress is from ASOS. All of my clothes come from there at this point. These are my IMC truly bright loafers that I shared in my November favorites. My Chanel Medallion tote because it's such a good carry-all bag. And scent of the day is Louis Vuitton Attrape-Reves. I smell like a sexy rosy chocolate, succulent and juicy. Ooh, we love it. And say you miss me, please don't miss me. I love this song, first of all. But guys, I was editing the video last night and I was up till 1 a.m. I gotta start ending the video around dinner. I commit to it so hard. Why do I have so much energy? I commit to Vlogmas so hard that I actually vlog all day, which means that I'm up till 1 a.m. And girl, that's not normal. But I forgot to do my gratitude calendar yesterday. So we have 2 to do today and 2 Christmases with Keiko. What was I doing? So the first thing that I'm grateful for today, my car. There was a point in the vlog yesterday, I guess I was speed editing, but when I was sitting at Stretch Zone chatting with you guys, the car that I wanted drove by. And this has been, you know, it's kind of like once you put something out there, all the signs, like, they keep showing up. So my car is like 9 years old and I like to keep cars for 10 years because I don't do this and I just think that cars are not good investments. So to me, this is just me, you guys do what you want by all means. I like to keep cars for 10 years. I just feel like that's a good use of money. So my car is nearing that point and I kind of want a new one. But a few months ago, I made peace with the fact that I don't need a new car right now. Also because for the last 3 years during the Porsche Panamera, I haven't really driven anywhere. So like my car doesn't even have 100,000 miles on it. There's nothing wrong with it. Me wanting a new car is just me wanting some power. But I'm so grateful for my car. And one of my friends on Instagram, she does this thing where she always gets her car washed as gratitude to God for having a paid off car. And I'm so incredibly grateful. So thank you, God, for this car. And I know that I don't need a new car. It's just a want, and I'm not going to get one. I'm just grateful to have something to get me from point A to point B safely. Is it sparkling with bells and whistles and absolutely everything I wanted? No, but I'm grateful. And I have to remind myself of that when I see the car that I want. Because I also don't want a car payment. So that's really keeping me from getting a new car. But I'm grateful for my baby. So yeah, today I'm grateful for this big box of metal that I'm driving in. Yeah, so I don't think I even told you guys what we're doing. We are going to get a facial, and not just any facial. Today I'm getting my first microdermabrasion, like professional. So I am really excited. I'm going back to Heyday. If you guys saw my first influencer event vlog, I'll link it down below. I went to Heyday's grand opening, and they recently had a Christmas party last Sunday. I couldn't make it because I was away at my church, but I posted about it and they're gifting me a complimentary facial. Like, that's another thing that's so cool about being an influencer. It's not always about like payment and brand deals. Sometimes you just get really cool opportunities. No, I'm not being paid to promote this company, and this video is not sponsored, by the way, but if it were, it wouldn't matter because I'm gonna be real regardless. You get to do cool things and it then becomes content. So we are up bright and early. I hope I get my esthetician that I had last time. You guys remember her? Somebody was like, girl, she was making love to your face. She was so good. So we'll see. But yeah, let's go get this facial. I'm about to pop a V8, not a Molly. I didn't want to have coffee before I left because y'all know what coffee does. What is wrong with my wrist? So cheers. Santé. Ooh, wake me up, Lord. Ain't nobody do it like us. Ain't nobody mix, chop, and screw it like us. We made it, guys. I'm so excited. And I just saw my esthetician from last time. Lord, please let me get her today. I'm so excited. We're gonna do microdermabrasion today because obviously, but I'm not gonna get it on my chin since I am doing laser hair removal. I also looked it up to make sure I would be okay, and they said that as long as it's like 11 to 14 days before, you should be fine. I'm excited. My first microdermabrasion. Heyday is basically a spa that specializes in custom facials, everything from anti-aging, acne treatment, microdermabrasion, gua sha, which is like the stone tool that they use across your skin. They also have really great products like some of our favorite brands. So I'll show you guys around the store when I get in. I'm just so excited. Let's do our second gratitude for today, because earlier was from yesterday. So I am grateful for experiences like these, and I have to thank you guys. When I started my influencing journey, when I started my YouTube channel, I would have never figured that I would be at a place where companies were contacting me to cover grand openings and talk about their store, their products, and receive like complimentary facials. Like, that is so cool. I started this channel just because I like sharing. It was never a goal of mine to profit off of it, to be recognized, to attend things like this. So I'm just so incredibly grateful to you all for supporting me and allowing companies to see my worth through your support. So thank you so much. And that's why I always bring you guys along on these little jaunts, because I just love being able to share them with the people who I owe it all to. So thank you guys. I'm so appreciative, and let's go get our face made love too, because y'all said it, not me. I just went to put on my mask and look what happened. I'm so sad. That's my favorite mask. Now I have to buy another one, and now I can't be safe. Damn it. I just want to know who told me to like get this cute to go get a facial. So this is where Heyday is located. It's right next to Chipotle, Sweet Green, and Verizon, right around the corner from Perimeter Mall. Yay! Little sunshine for today.
I've got a couple pair of hot pink ones. Right?
Yes, they're so fun. It's better than like typical black.
Yeah.
Ooh. What is this? Very, but I'm gonna relax.
Have you been experiencing like more oiliness?
No, I think because of the weather change, my skin has been okay.
So kind of like balanced out.
If anything, my skin was dry, and then I had to like start using a lot of hyaluronic acid. Now I feel like it's okay.
So what all are you using now? I know you use like a bunch of different stuff.
Yeah, right now, well, vitamin C when I remember, hyaluronic acid, moisturizer, sunscreen, at night anti-aging. That's about it. Not too much.
So now you said you want to do the microderm. So I'm thinking after the second cleanse, we can do the microderm and then some extractions.
Okay.
And then a mask.
Okay.
We did the LED light last time, right?
Did. Okay.
That tickled?
Yeah, I don't know why. What's wrong with me?
I still haven't had anybody to come in as ticklish.
Well,
as
I'm
you.
so glad.
Yeah, I've had some people, you know, laugh, but they're not as ticklish as you are.
It's probably also because I'm sitting back and my neck just
your
feels
neck is
very out. But thankfully nobody else is like
I'm just about to go get the microderm.
Okay. I'm so happy that I got my fave. And she told me one of you guys has come here. Let me know in the comments, girl. I'm so crazy. Y'all, this is so relaxing.
It also helps with like fine lines and wrinkles and product penetration.
Okay. Yeah, I've always wanted to try it.
So you will feel a suction.
Okay.
But it won't be anything like harsh.
Okay. Have you ever used the PMD?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I tried that years ago and it burned my skin.
Really?
Yeah. I just feel like some things are just meant for professionals.
Yeah. So this also helps with like any breakouts and scarring.
Okay.
I knew you was gonna do it.
I got breathe.
So it helps with scarring and breakouts. Just to repeat what I said.
Okay.
That took a How's it feeling?
It feels like calming.
Yeah. No tingling or anything.
Yeah, no.
Okay, just gonna let that sit.
Okay.
And then I'm using the Prevention Plus SPF.
Okay.
This is also a moisturizer. So yeah, for this pimple that was on your chin, just apply a mighty patch for the healing of it.
Okay.
It's a bit red. Seems like it's still bleeding.
Yeah, I like that. Well, thank you so
Yeah, so I'm gonna get you.
This is Editing Keiko here. Don't forget, if you guys enjoyed watching that lovely facial experience, come to Heyday for yourself and mention my name, and we will both get a $20 credit to use in shop. And don't forget, there's Heyday literally all across the country. Check them out, guys. I know you will love it. I feel so relaxed, so amazing. Shaun made love to my face once again. You guys, if you are ever in need of an amazing facial, please come to Heyday Perimeter. I will leave all the booking information down below. Shaun is amazing. She told me that one of you guys actually came to see her not too long ago. So shout out to you if that's you. I just feel like I went and got a massage. My face is so hydrated. Like, woo! Look at the glow. Now, I did the microdermabrasion, so it did pop my little pimple there. But, oh my gosh, my face is so hydrated. So let me show you what I got. A little Holly haul time. So at the end, she put this lip mask on me. First of all, Shaun is so sweet, so calming, and like genuine. Like her spirit, I love it. But she also has a way of like recommending products without being pushy, and I love that. So at the end, she put this lip balm or mask on me, the Eye Image Ormetic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex, and it's like a juicy pillow for my lips. It feels so amazing. So I bought that. And then for free, I got the Alchemy Forever Purifying Gel Cleanser. I think this is the one I like. I'm not sure. Yeah, so try out the Alchemy if you haven't. At the time of you watching this video, you can book an appointment to get a facial at Heyday Perimeter, and you will get a free goodie bag from Alchemy. So yeah, I will leave that link down below. I'll also link down below where you can get a special savings on your first facial here if you've never had one. I love Heyday, so definitely check them out, you guys. Oh, and I also wanted to say, microdermabrasion does not hurt. It felt like a suction. It felt really nice, and my skin already looks brighter. Like, what the hell? Let me find out I need to do this every other month. I feel like my dark spots have already, let me know, is it just me? I feel like they've already faded. We love it. Okay, let's get some energy. I think I have to go this way. Hi, old man. Old man Redmond lived in that White House down the street where I grew up. Look at this damn glow. I feel like this is the Starbucks that Brown Girl Lux was at in her recent Vlogmas video, because this hill is out of control. Thank goodness I have like hill assist on my car. Weren't we just grateful for the car earlier? Look at God. Because, oh my goodness.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you today?
Hi, can I get an iced sugar cookie almond milk latte grande?
Sure. Anything else today?
That's it.
All right, 621. Thank you.
Thank you. So nice. And shout out to my church. We got little welcome cards, and I got a Starbucks gift card. That was so sweet. Thank you, Ignite, for providing. Look at this damn glow. Oh my goodness. If you ever needed a reason to get microdermabrasion, go see Shaun. Oh my goodness. I'll also put her Instagram down below. I feel so amazing. This is how I felt last time, but it's like times 10. I've been waiting on that all night, girl. My camera died. Welcome. So tiny.
Okay, the total bill is 121. You want me to go with it?
Yes, thank you. And can I also have a straw, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
You as well. Let's enjoy a first sip. This is a cute little Starbucks. I never come here. There's lots of sprinkles in the top. You probably can't see it. Okay, let's enjoy our first sip. Oh, it's good. I like, sir, 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 what are you doing? I like this drink because it's not too sweet. Because y'all know I'm trying to get my waist and my body together. But Shaun told me that I couldn't work out today. Y'all don't know how to drive over here. Got it. Yeah, I can't work out today because I can't do any excessive sweating. So I'm relieved of that. Today's featured viewer is one of my faves, Lisa. Once again, somebody who I just feel like is a friend of mine in real life. Thank you so much, Lisa, for always watching, commenting, and for chatting with me on Instagram. She said, "Aw, so nice to see you both having fun and lots of laughs. I loved your outfit. Cute duster. Love the green on you. Always beautiful. Hashtag Christmas with Keiko." Thank you so much for the sweet compliments, Lisa. You know how much I adore you. And don't forget, for a chance to be featured, use the hashtag Christmas with Keiko. Hey guys, it is 3:12. I have been resting in bed. We're still glowing. Fun fact about me, I'm not a napper. When I nap, I wake up feeling nauseous, sick. You know how when you eat a big meal and then go to sleep? That's how I feel when I nap. So I don't take naps. But I was watching Gina's Vlogmas. Now I'm gonna catch up on some other Vlogmases. It's been nice having this easy-ish day. I'm going to do some work. And then in a few hours, I'm gonna cook. Yeah, it's been a pretty easy day. Let me tell you, that facial just put me in like such a zen space. I felt so amazing. I almost wanted to just fall asleep and I didn't want to go home, but here I am. I'm getting ready to call my nephew because today is his birthday. You guys know that every year during Vlogmas, pretty much I attend his birthday party, but he had his birthday party last weekend and I couldn't attend it. But I'm gonna call him and let him talk to Chloe because he loves Chloe. So I'm gonna do that, get some work done, clean a little bit, you know, all the normal daily things.